Okay, so here we are again in another video, and well, today was um not a strange day, but the price action is pretty unclear, so I don't see really good trades. Well, and even more, I've come from a holiday week, so I'm not focused 100%, and I have some other projects. So yeah, so I'm just taking it easy and not complicating myself. Okay, well, my life with trading. So well, today I started with EU, but I didn't like the price action. I had nothing really relevant to the left. Maybe this week here, but not a relevant reaction. So I went directly to GU here. On GU we had more or less the same. This week here, I expected more or less the same than EU. Let me mark this up. Okay, and yeah, this is not relevant liquidity. Okay. Oh, this is GU. Okay, so it was GU and I was confused. Yeah, as you can see, yeah, as you can see here, we have nothing really relevant. Okay. I thought about the chart and I said, "Ooh, it looks similar to me," but so here we have nothing really relevant. This liquidity for me it has nothing. Okay, so I went directly to EU. Here we had at least something, not really something that that it really convinced me. So I expected sells anyways, but yeah. So my idea was we took this relevant liquidity on each one here. We had relevant liquidity on M5 and relevant liquidity on M5 here that took the previous daily low, but it didn't take any structural point. So I was expecting this to be taken for the relevant liquidity that took the previous daily low and this low here that broke the structure. This one or this one, okay, but yeah, it never took that. Probably break evens, and yeah, and because I saw this, I thought about selling, but I didn't really like it having this here and looking at the other charts, so I didn't trade. And then I saw this not taken, which is important for the next pairs that I'm going to show you right now, and well, I didn't trade here. I didn't like it without taking that, so yeah, it's okay. I feel much better like this. Okay. USD JPY. We have nothing to the left here really. Probably an SMT, and we're gonna take this at some point. I think this high, but well, yeah. I didn't look for a trade because there was no relevant liquidity to the left, so yeah. And then USD CHF, it's so fucking late, and I have work to do, but I want to record this, so yeah. So USD CHF, we have this pretty beautiful uptrend here. I just draw it to see the reactions, but I think that this is not the real reaction. I think we need a reaction like this one probably when we take that and to see some sort of bigger reaction. But well, I don't know. I don't usually trade that. I'm just testing. So my idea today was, well, I saw this to the downside, which is not really a break of structure, as you can see. Maybe because it takes this, but yeah, the break of structure is here, the relativity is there. So the only thing here is that we took the previous daily high and we broke structure. So it's previous daily high and a structural break to the upside. So I expected this to be taken, the round liquidity on H1, And I even placed a trade here. I even entered the trade, but I closed on break even because I had the previous daily low here, and I didn't really like those weeks. Okay, so I expected this to be taken because we have previous weekly high and revenue within each one. I expected this to be taken. I don't know why it's down there. Okay, but I didn't like the week and I didn't like those weeks, so I closed the trade. And well, it was a good trade, but I didn't enter because of the weeks. Weeks. So this was the reason. Not and okay. Now it's okay. So as you can see, TP not entered, but happy anyways. So yeah, my explanation was that one. Um, I like this week really, so I entered with the spread and everything. But yeah, on M5 we would have had some sort of confirmation. Well, we had the break obstructors here, so not really confirmation. But I like those weeks, okay? Those candles. And finally, USD CAD. I was looking for buys too after having this week here to the upside breaking structure, and then it took this low here, which was the previous daily low. No, not the previous daily low. More or less, yes. I'm not sure. I don't think so, but it was liquidity, and yeah. So I didn't really like this week, and I was looking for buys, but I wasn't sure. So I didn't open a trade, and then we had this break to our structure to the upside. This relevant liquidity on M5 taken. We never took this high here, so I was expecting a buy, as you can see here. R5 taken. I don't know if on H1. Yeah, the structure was here, so the relevant liquidity on R5 was here, and boom, amazing. So yeah, we broke this to the upside. This liquidity was here, but nothing relevant for me. We had this break obstructor to the upside, and then it took that low, knowing that I had this high to be taken. Yeah, and I didn't enter here because we didn't take this high, so I expected this to be taken too, and it was a confirmation. I confirm sometimes with other pairs, okay? And then as you can see, we go into the downside. Here the price is 701, the low, and here 701, so probably took the break even and boom, to the upside, okay? So, well, this was my day. I hope you like it, and well, see you tomorrow. Bye bye.